5 Best User Reviews of the Little Giant VCL-25ULS VC Series Automatic Condensate Removal 1/5 HP Pump with Safety Switch. Large Tank Condensate Pump. Little Giant VCL-24ULS 553201-1, 1/8 HP Condensate Removal Pump features Safety Switch, 1 gallon ABS plastic tank in 6 ft. Power cord. Pump with Safety Switch. Prevents flooding if pump fails. Can be connected to furnace, air conditioner or dehumidifier to shut down equipment or wired to an audible alarm. Not included.
Real users share their experience.
Number 1 Excellent item.
Yuri Lopez.
5-star. Great seller.
Yuri Lopez.
Number 2.
Fantastic. All green.
5-star.
I bought this because my old condensate pump quit working after 10 years. I went to HD and bought the heaviest one they stocked and it lasted a week.
This was $100 more than that one, but it is so much better and the performance is fantastic. This one may outlast me. Make sure that you put clamps on the discharge hose. This pump will blow it right off and wash your ceiling if you don't. Smiley face. ...
All green.
Number 3. Tough Little Giant.
Brian.
5-star. Awesome pump. Works like a champ. I am impressed at its capability. Brian. Number 4. As advertised.
Whale.
5-star. As advertised.
Whale.
Number 5. 5 stars. LA. 5-star. Great product. LA.
To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.